Hey, beautiful people. Have you ever woken up feeling a little meh and wish you could hit that refresh button? Well, today we are doing exactly that, a 24 hours glow up challenge. Not just to look good, but look and feel amazing inside and out. By the end of this, you'll be radiating confidence. So let's grab a notebook because we're leveling up in just one day. Let's go. Morning routine. Morning routine has to do with refreshing and recharging your body. Step one is waking up early and hydrate. Start a day by drinking a big glass of water to flush out toxins. Bonus points, you can add a lemon. Step two is to stretch and move. Get a blood flowing with a quick 10-minute stretch or a little workout. Trust me, your body will thank you. Number three is skin detox. Exfoliate, apply a hydrating face mask, and give yourself a gentle face to boost circulation. Give yourself a gentle massage and watch your skin glow. Step four is to nourish your body. Have a healthy breakfast loaded with a lot of fruits, protein, and good fats. Think of smoothie bowls, eggs, or avocado toast. Afternoon routine. Mindset shift and confidence boost. Step one is mental glow up. Write down three things you're grateful for and three things you love about yourself. Positive energy equals instant glow. Two is to declutter and reset. Clean up your space, light a candle, or rearrange your room. A fresh space equals fresh mindsets. Three is hair transformation. Try a deep conditioning treatment, a hair mask, or a sleek new hairstyle. Even a simple trim or slicked back bone can change your look. Evening routine, leveling up your vibe. Step one, shower and glow. Exfoliate, shave if you want, and moisturize with a scented body butter for that soft silk skin. Two is outfit upgrade. Pick an outfit that makes you feel confident even if you're staying at home. When you dress well, you feel amazing. Step three is self-care. Wind down. Put on a face mask, sleep, sip some herbal tea, and do some light reading before bed. No phone scrolling. Here is a bonus glow up hack. Smile more because confidence is the ultimate glow up. Have a good posture check. Walk with your head high and an affirmation. You can say, I am radiant, I'm confident, and unstoppable. And just like that, you've unlocked your best self in 24 hours. Now it's your turn to try this routine and tell me in the comments what you feel the most confident. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more globe tips and self improvements. See you in the next video. Bye.